In this video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from Kraken to Trust Wallet. So first of all, open your Kraken app, and from here, we're going to click on Portfolio. Right now, we're going to scroll down, and then you need to select Tether USDT. So let's click on this. And right now, we are going to click on Withdraw. And here you can enter the amount that you want to withdraw. So I'm just going to withdraw everything I have, and that is something around this. And right now, we need to add a new address. So let's go ahead and click on add new address, and in here you need to select a network. And as you can see, Ethereum has the lowest fee, so I'm going with Ethereum. And it's really important that we select the same network as well in Trust Wallet, but we will see that later. But for now, I'm going to click on Ethereum, and in here I need to paste in the wallet address. So let's go to our Trust Wallet to obtain this wallet address. So from our Trust Wallet, we're going to click on Receive, and in here we're going to search for USDT. And there we see USDT Ethereum. And because we have just selected Ethereum, we need to select this one with network Ethereum as well. So let's click on this. And now we have our wallet address that we can copy to our clipboard and paste in Kraken. So let's go over to Kraken to do this. So in our Kraken section, we are going to paste in this address, and then we're going to click on Continue. Now we can give this new account a nickname. So I'm just going to call it Kraken Trust USDT. Click on Continue. Click on Confirm in here. Kraken will always send you a confirmation email to confirm your new wallet address. This only happens when you create new addresses, and that is what we have just done. So go ahead and look for this mail in your junk or your spam or in your regular inbox, and then click on Confirm Address. So our address is approved, and now we can return to the app. So right now, enter the amount that you want to transfer. So I'm going to click on Next and make sure that you have the right address selected. And Kraken Trust USDT is the wallet address that we just created. So I'm going to click on Review. And here I can basically see the fees and the amounts, basically everything that I need to know, and everything is okay. So I am going to swipe this to withdraw. And as you can see, our withdrawal is initiated. So let's go ahead and click on Done. And now our USDT will await in Trust Wallet. So let's go over to our Trust Wallet. So I can see that my USDT has arrived in my Trust Wallet. So let's click on it. So this will mean that the transfer is completed. So that is how you transfer USDT from Kraken to Trust Wallet. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.